if you are using the online Deepseek chat, it's not so good for privacy as all the keystrokes that you do on the website, the data gets sent to the Chinese government directly. This is not so good for privacy. Now, if you are doing some work for a company or your own business, then those data should be confidential and you cannot share those data publicly with chatbots. So it's better to run those kind of models locally inside our system. So for that reason, in this video, I will show you how to install Deepseek locally inside your machine and start creating chat compilation and generate text responses, apply reasoning model, and we can also chat using our PDFs or other documents and generate text responses. So this is not a coding tutorial, as you will be only learning how we can use this locally inside our machine, and for this internet access is not required. Internet access is only required to download the models. After that you can disable the internet access. So let's start. First, open any of your browser and search for LM Studio. Here, visit the website lmstudio.ai. From here, download depending upon your operating system. In my case, I'm downloading it for Windows. As the website say that we can run Llama 3.2, Mistral, Phi, Gamma, Deepseek or Quen on our computer locally. Now, after you have downloaded LM Studio, just install it. It will be requiring 1.3 GB of space. Now click on finish. Now this has opened LM Studio application. For this you can just get your first LLM. Here it's giving us the option to install Deepseek R1 7 billion. So we can simply download that. Just click on download. If you are not getting this option or you are getting some other option as default, then you can simply skip the onboarding and from search you can install the model. Now it will take some time to download depending upon your internet connection. Now after the model has been downloaded, it's now showing all set. Start with the state of art for local reasoning model. Here we can just start a new chat, and now as you can see that here we can add some user input, or if we want we can also add some PDF, plain text or some document. Hi, how are you? And here we need to select the model Deepseek R1. Here we can also adjust how much context length we want. For now let's keep it on the default one and let's send. Now here it's thinking, and here below you can also see the CPU and RAM utilization. Now it will behave normally like the Deepseek chat that we have, but here it does not mention which billion parameter model the website use, but here we clearly know that we are using the 7 billion parameter model. Now let's try to add one more question. Generate an HTML homepage for a simple website. Now it's thinking. Now this one is totally running on CPU because my GPU is not supported. This GPU is running because I'm recording my screen, but it's mostly running on my integrated graphics. As you can see it here, the temperature is rising, and here I'm getting the output, and it's almost taking 3 GB of RAM. This is giving 10 tokens per second, so this is very slow because it's running on CPU only and the integrated graphics that I have with my CPU. If you have a GPU connected with it and your GPU is supported, then you will get more faster result. Now here if you want, you can also add attachment like PDF or plain text, and it supports up to 5 files at a time, maximum up to 30 MB. So let's upload some file. Let's create a new chat. Here I'm going to be uploading some PDF. Let's select this tree PDF. This PDF are simply related to C++. Now I'm going to ask some question from this PDF. Let's see whether the model can answer or not. Let's see. What are pointers? At what page it is written? Is it written on the PDF? Let's send it. Now it will analyze all the 3 PDF documents, and then we can get the answer that what are pointers and where it is written on the PDF. Here we can also expand the intermediary step. Now first it's converting it to embeddings and then it's processing. Now it's thinking. It is thinking and it has successfully got the data, at which point the PDF contains the data about the pointers. Now as you can see, it has provided the citation provided suggests pointers are discussed on lecture 5 notes pointers, which appears to be a part of introduction to C++. Based on the current note, pointers are introduced as variables to store memory rather than values. The specific page where information is written and cannot be determined from the provided text, but it appears in early part of lecture notes. To get exact PDF, refer. Now it was able to give me the correct answer as well as it was able to get the path. So in this way you can chat with your local documents very easily, and even you can use this for your education purpose. You can add the notes of your documents and then you can ask it to summarize, and it will do all of this for free. And you don't need to worry about losing your data because all your data remains on your system because you are running this locally. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.